Oyster Bay, Virginia is home to one of the most successful seagrass restorations in the world.
Okay.
Coastal scientist Bo Lusk is trying to capitalize on that and grow bay scallops.
A lot of us just like the idea of bringing back something that was a part of our history. You know, this was something that a lot of guys got up every morning and went to do from 1920 to about 1932, and that disappeared like that.
Look at that. Oh, so nice.
Chesapeake scallops, once very popular with upscale diners, are sensitive creatures that require the perfect growing environment. Scientists believe they vanished from the Maryland and Virginia Eastern Shore waters because their home, eelgrass, was wiped out decades ago by a massive hurricane coupled with disease.
We do know that as that grass declined from the wasting disease, the scallop harvest started to decline. And by 1933, there were no more scallops harvested at all.
Back on shore, here's how the Nature Conservancy and the Virginia Institute of Marine Science are trying to reverse the near extinction.
So just carefully get in.
Get into the tank.
Marine field technician Jenny Miller shows me how they're bringing the eelgrass back.
You just kind of walk around in a circle, kind of shuffling your feet and kicking up the grass.
And this has to be done every day.
Oh,
There's something swimming in here.
Yeah, there is I think it's a worm swimming around. I saw it too. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, yeah,
a lot of worms, actually.
Plus snails, mud, and algae. But most important,
These are the little seeds.
thousands of eelgrass seeds will eventually be planted in the bay, building a bigger home for the scallops, which are currently in another tank.
So we've just made some frames out of wire.
Okay. Okay.
And they seem pretty happy with these frames.
2 to 3 million baby scallops, now the size of a pinhead, will grow over the next few months.
Our first goal is to get a self-sustaining population, which means we need a lot of scallops and we need them all sort of around the same time.
Not only will that provide a new food source, but like oysters, scallops filter the water, improving the health of the bay. Over the last few years, the project has yielded some healthy scallops that have survived in the wild waters, even multiplied. But challenges lie ahead.
We're really evaluating, do we just do the cheapest thing and put larvae in the water? Do we take care of those larvae for a while and raise them into small juvenile scallops and free plant them? Do we take care of all these scallops in cages that we have to wash and clean, that ensures that they don't swim away and that they aren't eaten, and ensures that they're close to each other? We've sort of got 3 different ways. It's still an experiment at this point.
An experiment in resurrecting a long-lost fishery. Adam May, WBAL TV 11 News.